You guys already know what it is. I got the skirt. I got the George W. shirt. We got the Kraken. Oh man, these are days that you cannot forget. My friends, my family, my fellow freaking Gorilla Gang and apes out there. We gotta celebrate days like this, and this is just the beginning. Oh, I'm so excited to make this video today. It's gonna be nice, smooth, to the point. We only have one little topic that I want to talk about, but nonetheless, we gotta give a cheers out there to all you freaking diamond-handed gorillas and gorilla girls out there that held this stock through all those times. Bottoms up to you guys. Beautiful. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trace Trades. We have technical analysis. Ooh, getting in my nose. To different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor or an expert, so I'm taking what I say with a grain of salt. Let's get into the video. Today, my friends, oh my freaking God, we have a beautiful update on ticker symbol AMC up here in the top left of your screen. We opened the day at about $12, closed the day at $14.02 with a high of $14.49. Look at the freaking strength on this chart. Oh my God, this is going to be so exciting to get. I'm just stuttering so much because I'm so freaking excited to dig into. And we're going to tell you guys a little bit about what you need to expect with this, because now is when it gets tough, right? It's sometimes easy, sometimes hard, depending on who you are, to hold through the red days. Personally, I had no problems at all because I had true conviction in the stock. If you had true conviction in the stock, that's freaking awesome, guys. Now the true test comes. The true test comes to be a diamond-handed freaking silverback gorilla, because this is the time, unless you have financial situations, right, where hypothetically speaking, we need to hold. We need to hold. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. So what we're going to do is start off with some different information, right? We're going to bring you back over here to Ortex. We're going to show you the utilization rate of AMC, sitting at about 91.45%, meaning that about 91.45% of the current utilizable, lendable short shares are currently being held, and only about 9% are available for borrowing. That's a huge, huge, huge number. Cost to borrow, they say, is at about 3.6%, and the days to cover is about 0.49. Now, I'm going to pull up Intel, not because I think that it's accurate, but because I want to show you the point of the stock. And this shows you the overall sentiment, right? Is it being heavily shorted? Is it not being heavily shorted? I take Intel with a huge, huge, huge grain of salt now, because we do know that they only take short data from limited exchanges, right? That's why people are thinking that it's misrepresenting the data. But nonetheless, if this is true, even if it's not, right? If we just take the worst case scenario and say that it's probably more than this, 22% of the market volume today was short volume, 61.9 million total shares, which means that you freaking apes and gorillas out there were hammering this thing. You were crushing this thing. You guys were buying every single freaking dip on this thing. You could not beat the price action that was happening. We look at the total short share availability. If this is true, and I'm taking this with a grain of salt, personally, I think it's lower. We've got 1.2 million total short shares available, which is not that many. Not that many. These shorts are still doubling down their positions. They're still going to get squeezed. They still have not freaking given up, guys. So where am I going with this? Where am I going with this? Why do I think this is important to point out? Because, guys, this isn't even close to a short squeeze. This was simply a 20% green day. That's all this was. That's all this was. This is a break over a hard level of resistance. We finally got that break over this double top right here. That's all that we had. That's all it was. We got a hard break over a level of resistance. We have the volume starting to pick up here. This is not a short squeeze. This was maybe a mini gamma squeeze. Maybe. But I'm still not buying into that, guys, because we've got a crap ton of call options potentially expiring in the money on Friday, 19 March 2021, which is that quadruple witching day. Now, what is the quadruple witching day, right? Why is this important? Why is this being so hyped up? Well, I'm not saying this is the day in which everything is going to go down, everything is going to be absolutely over, but I am saying it's an important day, and it refers to the date on which stock index futures, stock index options, stock options, and single stock futures expire simultaneously. You have that along with failure to delivers, or FTDs, that could potentially play into the stock's price action leading into the next leading day. Monumental. This means that they're going to have a crap ton of potential options and futures that expire in the money that could drive the price action. Insane, guys. Absolutely freaking crazy. That's mind-blowing stuff. Guys, I'm telling you, this is where it takes true patience, true diamond hands. I am currently holding, and I bought more today. My whole position, guys, I'm excited to talk to you about this. My total position is 2,450 shares at a dollar cost average of 902. You guys are going to be so, take this for what it is. Take this for what it is. I've been thinking about doing this. I've been contemplating doing this for a while, and I finally made the hard decision. I am all in. on AMC. The only thing that I own that is not AMC related is GameStop, Sensonics, and AGTC, and AGTC call options, and I own 1 share of GameStop. But as you can see right here, this is what I've got in my positions. I've got AMC call options, I've got AMC, GameStop, Sensonics, and AGTC call options. And these Sensonics and AGTC call options, honestly, are pretty much worthless. Those did not end up panning out. But nonetheless, that means that all that I own is AMC. My market value for this is $34,251 freaking dollars. I'm all in. I'm all in. That is how convicted I am on the stock. I'm more convicted on this in the current time being, the current time zone, right? Than I am Microvision, than I am X-Zone, than I am Sensonics, than I am AGTC. I've got a second portfolio, which I'm not dabbling with, right? But this portfolio, which you can see is worth $36,700, I'm all in. All my cash, all my capital, except for $217, which is riding in GameStop, is riding in AMC right now. Now, I say this not because I want you to do it. In fact, please do not do that, right? I'm sitting in a situation where if AMC ends up doing something wrong, I can build that portfolio back within a couple of months, right? Do not do that. Be very intelligent. Only invest money in this that you can afford to lose, right? However, that is the conviction that I have in AMC right now. I'm all in on this thing, and I'm not selling yet. And I see these rumors going around that says, Trey sold, Trey sold. I don't know where the person on Webull is getting that idea, but I'm diamond handing the crap out of this thing, guys, and I am not going anywhere. And this is the time when I really need to stay convicted and true to myself, because these are the times, man. These are the times. It's easy to be like, okay, now that I'm green, all that suffering that I went through, it was awesome to get over that, right? It's awesome. I'm green now. I'm done. But you were leaving some heavy briefcases on the table if you secure the bag right now. Of course, if you've got a financial situation, right, you need to pay your bills, you need to feed yourself, you need to keep the roof over your head, you need to take your girl out for some dinner, whatever it might be, right? That I understand that. That's different, right? But if you can afford to hold this, hypothetically speaking, the apes, what the apes need to do to continue to drive the price action up, since we have not seen a short squeeze yet, we have not seen a gamma squeeze yet, is continue to hodl the crap out of this thing, because this is just the beginning. This is honestly just hype. This is what we expected when we had the stimulus checks running in. And this is not even all the stimulus checks. Think about this. We have people that haven't even gotten the stimulus checks yet. If we look at the NASDAQ today, let's just take a peeky weeky, as you guys always say, a peeky weeky at what the NASDAQ did this week. And today, it had a pretty freaking solid day. It was up 1.12%. However, this is nothing in comparison. I mean, we had a bigger day back here without the stimulus checks. I think this is a precursor. I think this is a precursor of a day for what we might see in the next 1 to 2 days, guys. And as you know, AMC very closely mirrors the NASDAQ. And I would not be surprised in the least freaking bit to see AMC do some dirty stuff. So that's what we're looking at, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm just so pumped. I'm so pumped. I had to tell everybody. I've been waiting a while to decide whether I want to do this or not, and I'm finally going to do it. I have true conviction in the stock. I think this is a worthwhile cause to go all in on. And I'm not telling you to do it, but I do think it is worth talking about. Now, I want to talk about this stock, right? The price action. So previously, I had predicted that we see a bull trap, right? How did I do that? Well, I saw a nice chart setup that indicated it was very likely. So what do we get? We had a level of resistance right here at the top of this candle wick, right? Followed by a false breakout over that level of resistance, which is typically a sign of an upcoming bullish trap. We ended up getting it, right? It sold off pretty much immediately after that, which is typically what happens, right? Now, what do we have now? Not a danger of a bullish trap, not even remotely, because what do we have here? A breakthrough that level of resistance, right? You're looking at a large scale level of resistance that we broke through, a big one. And now where's the gap in price action from here? It's much higher. We're sitting at $14 freaking dollars right now, forming a disgusting bullish flag. I mean, look at this. That is, you can't ask for anything better than that. Great flagpole. You have an ascending level of support. You have a descending level of resistance. I would anticipate that tomorrow is going to be another disgusting day for AMC, just getting warmed up here, right? Absolutely huge. And then you look at this compared to the chart, right? What do we have? You have a huge gap in price action between that and I would argue $16.28. So there's a huge gap in price action here. Personally, I have some call options for the $16.50 strike price. I played some call options today as well on that $14 strike price, secured myself a quick $2,000, which I reinvested back into AMC to make some quick cash. Call options are going to be huge. We still need those to cause the gamma squeeze. If you want to check out my gamma squeeze video, please check that out. It goes into great detail about that. We still need call options if you're an experienced trader. You still need to continue to hold your stock, right? That is going to make a world of difference. And something that I think is very interesting and worth talking about is how AMC compared to GameStop today. Look at this limp noodle. All right. Those who shall not be named. You guys know who I'm talking about. Some silly chicken on the internet thought that that GameStop was superior and AMC was a dying cat, and that if you're up in AMC, you should just sell out. And I'm not going to say anything more than that. But what I can say is that AMC is not even close to a dead cat thing. Oh my God, guys, not even close. Look at the difference in the AMC chart and the GameStop chart. I am so freaking insanely surprised, honestly, with you. I thought that GameStop was going to have a monster day today. I thought that whatever AMC did, GameStop would have run up 15, 20, 25% more than that, and it didn't even come close. It didn't even come close. AMC is just completely dominating the game here. I mean, I think GameStop was down like 8% or something like that total. 16% actually, as we were up 25. Absolutely game changer. And what's my hypothesis here? What could be causing this? Well, personally, I think that you likely have, and I'm not telling people what to do, I'm just telling you my hypothesis. You maybe have some GameStop apes out there who said, you know what? I've already made all the money that I want to make on GameStop, and I see my best friend over here, AMC, is starting to moon. So what I'm going to do is take my profits from GameStop and move over to AMC and let those freaking suckers ride. However, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you that's a good idea. Personally, I would hold if I was as convicted on GameStop as I am AMC. I do think GameStop is going to squeeze. In fact, I was guessing it was going to squeeze before AMC does. However, that's my hypothesis, is I think you've got some apes out there who are moving their money over to AMC. And I tell you what, I am really liking my 2,450 shares of AMC right now over GameStop. I think it has so much potential upside. I'm telling you, 2K AMC is not a meme. 1K AMC is not a meme. It's entirely possible, and it's entirely dependent on the people, the beholder, the sentiment value of the stock being decided by us, the retail investor, right? So continue to do what you got to do, guys. I tell you what, honestly, with videos like this, it's easy. It's so easy to make this video because I don't have to convince anybody of anything. I've been doing that for weeks now. I've been doing that for months now. I've been saying, guys, stay freaking patient. Stay the course, right? Just keep waiting it out. I don't know why I did that cross because I'm not even religious, but those videos are hard. These videos are easy, right? We get to sit back, kick our feet up, and say, you know what? We won the battle today, and let's just get ready for another one tomorrow. And that is what I have for you guys today. And oh my God, what a good one. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. It really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you like to see more content like this. Lastly, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Webull. This is version 4 for the desktop. Great platform that allows you to start trading at 4 a.m. the pre-market. If you use my link, you get 2 free stocks as a $100 deposit. I'll receive a free stock. Great to support the channel, my friends, and if you're not interested, that is totally fine. I just appreciate your support by taking the time to watch my videos. I also have a link to the merch store if you want to pick up a George W. t-shirt or some cool mugs, and a link to my personal Discord if you want to grab a awesome community of investors to trade, to invest with. A lot of them much more intelligent than me. Absolutely great place to be. $5 a month for the Patreon plan for the cheapest plan. Absolutely awesome place as well. That is what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I will see you all next time. Peace.